Good morning, students. Welcome back online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NBG AIAVM School, Jeetapura, Unnao. Class 11. We continue our first book, Indian Constitution. At work, chapter first, the philosophy of the Constitution. Students, we continue our chapter. And now today I shall describe you about some points of the Indian weakness or limitations of the Constitution of India. Students, you know our Constitution is very strong, but students, it's have some limitations also. Listen, the Constitution of India is not a perfect and flawless document. Listen carefully and read in your textbook very carefully. The Constitution of India is not a perfect and flawless document. It has certain weakness and has criticized on our Constitution too. Under representative character of the Constituent Assembly, unrepresentative character of the Constituent Assembly, the Constitution of India is criticized on the ground that the Constituent Assembly that formed this Constitution was not a representative body. Was not a representative body. It was not elected by the people on the basis of universal adult franchises. Students, elections to that assembly were held on the basis of limited franchises. As a result, most of the members came from the educated and advanced sections of the society. Advanced sections of the society, they were not representative elected by the masses. Masses का मतलब भीड़, लोग, अधिक से अधिक लोगों के द्वारा उन्हें चुना नहीं गया था. First weakness is linguistic constitution in the world. Students, another ground on which Indian Constitution is criticized is that being the lengthiest constitution in the world. Lengthiest constitution of the world. It has become lawyers' paradise. Lawyers' paradise. It has 395 articles and 12 schedules. It has 395 articles and 12 schedules. Students, the Constitution of no other country contains so many articles. Next, criticized a bag of borrowings. A bag of borrowings. Students, another point of criticism of the Indian Constitution is that it is a borrowed Constitution. Borrow, उधार लेना, उधार लिया हुआ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बताया हमारे दार्शनिकों ने इस अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को borrowed कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कहा गया. The formers का मतलब बनाने वाले, formers of our constitution borrowed most of the provisions from other constitution, like the Constitution of England, USA, Ireland, Germany, Canada and Australia, etc. Students, many provisions of the Constitution have been taken from the Government of India Act 1935. Students, critics point out that no part of the Constitution represents the ancient Indian polity, nor does it embody many Gandhian principles also. That's thanks. Okay.